Good morning, everybody. I am going to speak about the importance of honesty. Honesty is the best policy, and so it was, is, and will be. Dishonesty always leads to the doom of the people who practices it. On the other hand, honesty leads to greatness. Many great people like Mahatma Gandhi were honest. Mahatma Gandhi fought for truth and became an apostle of honesty and peace. One day, when he was a student, during a spelling test, he refused to copy the word kettle, even on the suggestion of his teacher during an inspection of his class. Dishonesty may bring temporary relief, but it harms in the long run. It darkens our soul and breeds fear in our hearts. Honesty helps us to prosper. Honest people are respected by all. Therefore, friends, we must be honest. Honesty is power, honesty is strength. Honesty is ultimate unlimited strength. Honesty makes soul its own king and makes the angels in heaven sing. Thank you.